Healthy snack that looks like dessert. We'll need walnuts, date paste, cocoa powder, and coconut oil. And later some melted chocolate. First, grind the nuts until they look like powder or flour. Then we add the date paste, cocoa powder, and mix it all together. So we get a dough. We put it at the bottom as a base in the molds that we are going to use. We press to compact and let it sit. Then you need some dark melted chocolate. I did mine with cocoa powder, coconut oil, and some agave syrup. Then pour it on top. Put it in the freezer for some hours. And done. Unmold. And enjoy. Easy peasy. Lekker. Ja, en jij in Hollands?